Hi guys, how you doing? Another day in the van. Today's job is putting the flooring down, but I thought I'd take the opportunity to give you a quick rundown on what we've done for insulation. So when we got the van, we stripped it out. After that, we put in some Dodo Mat, and you can see some of it still up here, just this hex. We got it already cut, 50 sheets did this van. So yeah, 50 sheets did walls, ceiling, and a bit at the front here. You can just see we've gone in there, so that's much better. But yeah, 50 sheets of that does an L3 H2 Peugeot Boxer, or Citroen Relay actually this one is. So what we've done is we've used a mix of insulation. First thing we've used is this 25mm. This is Kingspan, but there's lots of different makes, models out there, and we've used this on the floor, so we've battened out. $25mm batten, 25mm Kingspan, and then foil taped all the joints, so it's all continuous vapor barrier. We've used that on the ceiling as well. So again, battened 25mm Kingspan, that should do the job. Foil tape. The side walls, we've used this. This is 100mm recycled plastic insulation, B&Q, cheap as chips, but probably does the job. And the good thing about this, you can see here, you can get it into all of these little nooks and crannies all over the place. So that's in the walls, so you can see a bit up there as well. And then what we've done is foil taped everything. Oh, missing this out. So then this is our vapor barrier. This again from B&Q. It's a 7mm double-sided. So again, it will give a good bit of insulation as well. And you can see here that it is continuous. So the whole floor is vapor barriered, insulated all the way up to the ceiling. And then you can see up here, I've left a couple of little gaps. I don't know if that's the right thing to do, but I'm actually going to fill that with some glue so it actually sticks these boards on as well, just to make sure. So that's a continuous vapor barrier all the way around, and that's about it really. Yeah, so yeah, as I said, now going to do the flooring today, so we'll put a video out there later on. Jack's trying to nick my hammer now. Jack, what are you doing? Just hitting. Well, be careful. Yeah, those boys. So yeah, cool. See you later.